Hello everyone. The Rubik's Cube was invented by Rubik in 1980. And it is one of the world's, and if I'm not mistaken, the world's most successful toy. And there are many ways one can arrange the Rubik's Cube. In fact, there are more than 43 quintillion, which is a lot. But what is the number of ways in which what's the minimum number of moves that you would need to solve the Rubik's Cube? And the answer is 20. Now, the world record for most solves, for fewest solves, is I think 23 as the recording of this. As you can see, I've been twisting the Rubik's Cube more than 20 times, so this may not be the most efficient solving of the cube.